Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need admin rights and the machine plugged in. Once done, start by opening Power Options. You'll find it via Start or the battery icon. This gets you straight to System Policies. Make sure to pick the plan you actually use and click Change Plan Settings. This first step lets you change sleep, display, and advanced settings. Make a note of current values so you can revert. Now proceed to edit advanced power settings to stop unwanted power saving. Once in advanced settings, expand sleep and set sleep and hibernate to what you need, or select Never to eliminate automatic suspension. You should also disable hybrid sleep on desktops. Next, change PCI Express link state and USB selective suspend to off. These prevent device power cuts. Under Processor Power Management, raise minimum and maximum processor states to avoid throttling. Make sure to apply and test by leaving the system idle briefly to confirm it no longer enters unwanted power saving. Save your edited plan and restart the PC so Windows loads the new profile. You should monitor idle behavior for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm no premature sleeping or display dimming. If it still happens, update chipset and power drivers, then inspect BIOS or UEFI power options. If needed, reset power plans or create a fresh plan and reapply changes. For troubleshooting, run Event Viewer and use Power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.